Greetings everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get LangChain API key. So this is actually pretty easy. Now what you're going to do is, first of all, you simply need to sign up onto the platform, and here, as you can see, I'm on the API keys section. So this is basically how LangChain dashboard looks like. And if you want to simply get an API key, you can see we have multiple options showing up in here. On the left side we can see multiple different options as well. So yeah, so it is actually pretty simple to get the API key, as you can see in the API key section. And simply need to click on this create new API key and enter the description, like for example new key or anything. And yeah, so you can select personal access token or service key and then generate your API key, and there you got it. Simply copy it and you got it. So that's how simple it is. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel.